Hello children, good morning. Now we were doing lesson number 6, food we get from plants. Yes children, now I have finished explaining you this lesson. We have finished over here. Now take out page number 65. Yes, now keywords. Now this is your homework. You have to learn this. You may get a question, answer in a word. Big and strong plants, you'll be writing trees. Yes, plants that need support for growth, one word climber. Food grains like rice, wheat, and bajra, cereal. So you have to learn this. Now you'll have to learn this also in a nutshell homework. Why? Because you will get a question, name the following. Big, tall, and strong plants are called trees. Some small plants are called shrubs, and very small plants with soft and weak stems are called herbs. Yes, so we eat different parts of a plant. You'll have to name them. So see that you revise them, or you may get to complete the following sentence. We eat dash. You have to complete this different part of a plant. We eat pulses and dash. Then you have to complete this. Yes. Plants are also used to dash to make medicines. So complete the sentence. So see that you learn keywords and in a nutshell. Now come to page number 66. Choose the correct option. Dash is a vegetable we get from plant. Put a tick on cabbage. Dash is not the seed of a plant. Spinach. Dash is not is dash is prepared using wheat. Roti. Which of the following does not give oil? Carrot. Carrot does not give oil. Which of these is a spice? Clove. Hmm? Put a tick on clove. Now we come to fill in the blanks. We get jaggery from sugarcane. Jaggery means good. Good. Okay. We take medicines from, we make medicines from mint. Hmm? Not rice, mint. Rice is the dash of a plant. Cereal. Ginger is a root. We make noodles from wheat. Circle the odd one out. Rice, dal, wheat, clove. Circle the odd one, clove. Mustard, orange, sunflower, olive. Orange. Clove, dal, cardamom, pepper. Dal. Circle the odd ones. Potato, ginger, brinjal, sugarcane. Brinjal. You have to circle the odd one. Now, fourth one. Give two examples of each of the following we eat. Roots. Which we eat? Roots, carrot and beetroot. Turnip and radish. Stem we eat potato and ginger, sugarcane and yam. Leaves, in leaves we eat spinach, mint and cabbage. In flowers we eat cauliflower, broccoli and banana flower. In seeds we eat sesame seeds, corn we eat wheat, mustard. Then there are sunflower seeds, then there are nuts also, then there are oil seeds also. Now okay, this will complete in your reader your back exercise. Now answer the following. You are given this answer in brief and answer in detail in your worksheet to answer. Everything is given in detail. You'll finish this in your classwork notebook and write down neatly. Now last, when you come to the draw and name one of each that we eat: stem, root, leaf, seed, flower and fruit. The instruction is given. Yes, you will draw it in this way. First you will write down stem, then you will write down root, leaf and seed. Under the stem you will write down potato and you will draw a potato. You will write down root and write down radish and draw a radish. Leaf you will write down and you will write down coriander and draw a coriander. Seed you will cumin, then you will draw cumin. Cumin means jeera. Yes, and in the next flower, then you will write down banana flower and you will draw a banana flower. Yes, banana diagram is given. Fruit, then you will write down apple and mango. You will draw apple and mango. I hope this is last question is very clear to you. Draw and name one of each we eat: stem, root, leaf, seed, flower and fruit. So this way you will be drawing. Under the stem you will write on potato, then draw potato. Root, radish, then you will draw radish. Leaf, coriander, you will draw coriander. Seed, you will write on cumin and then you will draw cumin seed. flower, you'll write down, and you write down banana flower and draw banana flower. Yes, then you write down fruit and you write down apple and mango and you'll draw apple and mango. Yes. Now we come to here. This is now how is mustard oil different from rice bran oil? Yeah. Now mustard oil is what? Sarson ka tel. Rice bran oil is what? Now rice, when you have seen, rice is in a white form, but when it grows, it has got a hard brown covering. Yes, chaff we can call it, or a paddy we can call it. Then they take out that oil. Then that is known as rice bran. Yes. Now we come to your project work. You can write down this here only, in this reader only. This is your project work. Yes. Name of 4 products made from wheat: chapati, biscuits, toast, and noodles. Name of 5 kinds of spices used for cooking. Your mommy uses pepper, kali mirchi, clove. Then she uses cardamom. She uses chili. Names of 5 dals we eat. One is that green dal, urad ka dal, chane ka dal, moong dal. Green dal is, you mummy makes khichdi also of this, na? Urad dal, when you have sambar, na, idli dosa, then we use this urad dal. Chane ka dal, gram dal. Moong dal, full moong dal. Yes, all this thing. Now we come to this part. English has several idioms and phrases with fruits and vegetables. Some of these are given below. Now see, find out their meaning. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. That if you eat an apple, there's no need for you to go to the doctor. You'll be always healthy. No need to have a checkup. Yes, so so you have to be. If you eat an apple, you will always remain healthy. Second one is apple of my eye. Apple of my eye means my favorite, my best. It can be friend, it can be any form. You're the apple of your father or anybody means your favorite. 2 peas in a pod. 2 peas in a pod means identical, very same, similar. It means, and in D and E we have to write down 2 more of your own. So the as cool as a cucumber. It means extremely very calm, shant subhav ka. To dangle a carrot. To dangle a carrot, to tempt someone or something. Someone means human, something means animal. Dangle means you take in a hand and you show and keep teasing that person, like you show a carrot to a rabbit, you dangle in front of it. To be full of beans, to have a lot of energy. To be full of beans means to have lot of energy. So these two, I've given 3 more idioms. You can write it down. Yes, now this is your exercise is complete, lesson is complete. Yes, these two you'll get as in a worksheet. So see that you complete it. And for this one, I've shown you your diagram. Everything is explained. Okay, children. So enough for now. And okay, here one more page. Number 68 is also left. Now identify the parts of a plant that we eat from the pictures given below. Now what is this? This is kidney beans. This is cauliflower. This is pineapple, cabbage, and ginger. You have to name them. Identify the parts. Now this is match. Now here in the picture it is given sunflower. Now sunflower, what you get? You get oil from that. When you press the seed, you get oil. Yes, this is what? This is wheat and a wheat bag. When you grind it, you get a flour. Then you make the bread. This is mango. This is a fruit. Then this, after that, jam is made. So with this we have completed our lesson number 6. Yes, lesson number 6 we have completed. Food we get from plants. See that you complete your back exercise thoroughly and revise it and learn it. Okay, children, so have a good time and remain safe.